Ladies and gentlemen, vlog world, right now we are here. Well, you want to frighten up then? You know, we still have practice social distancing. We have with mask. I have to fix it because my face big. We are both feet, out the door. Bright right now. That means out the door. Hot right now. Nice and Chabas is in the front. Let me show you. So now laugh at my youth about to it.
Nice. Me do see nice and smile.
So
hi guys, what go on? We there? Me G's them we there. Right now we on the road doing it for the road. And you want to tell them or we not tell them yet? Them just go see.
Nice, what do you think?
Yo, Wednesday, guess what I go on Wednesday? We going to Atlanta. You feel me? We gonna be in Atlanta, Georgia.
Smell me?
Alright?
He said, smell me?
You smell me?
The Big Peach.
Yes.
Coming there.
Yes.
Alright?
That's all?
That's all?
That's all?
And we ain't gonna tell you the rest, but if we go to Atlanta, what you think we going to Atlanta for? Alright.
Yeah, I that shit up, bro.
Yo, what you really think we going there for? You guess wrong.
Not for that.
Nope. You'll see. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
What time I box on my phone? I'm not done the vlog. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? So we in a pet store. The boy nice, I look a pet. So me I tell you so, run us there.
Oh, Nemo.
Nice.
Nemo.
Nice to you. You're like a
That's my first time seeing this in person, bro.
Really?
For real.
You gotta be kidding me.
I just found Nemo. Oh my
Take a picture.
God.
You lost Lanka.
I have to. I can't believe
I first really see Nemo for real?
For real, bro.
You want me to buy him for you?
I asked my mom to get it for me.
You go beg your mother get him for you?
Yeah.
That's nice. Before you get one.
Yo, no, I can't leave here without this.
This is crazy. The man seen first Nemo.
So I gotta buy one.
Yeah, buy him and do it with him.
Yeah, about 10 food.
Buy your tank, you heard me, sir.
I didn't plan to come here and spend no money.
Man, not coming to spend no money. No buy none. Remember, we are going to go to Atlanta. We can't.
Wait, am I dead by the time?
Yeah, man, I'm dead by the time you come back. When you come back, buy it. Yeah, the man said
What
have
is
a
that?
human face.
Sawfish?
Yo, that's a savage.
What wrong with you?
Yo, that's so ugly.
He was trying to creep him out.
Yeah, that's real ugly.
Catch him face.
That's real ugly.
You think?
That's
I did
ugly.
him a dead. I almost did him a dead.
You mean him a dead?
Yeah, dead him a dead, man. That can't real. That in a salt water.
Yo, he head bigger than the body, dog.
This is a saltwater fish. Crack it out. Crack it. Him off his back in him.
Cracker, yeah, man,
What's the name
fish.
again?
Cracker fish.
Fresh up salt. Oh, fresh. Them live in a salt and fresh water.
Fresh one,
Yo, how big them get? Yo, that would have wicked for you every time you feed it, right? You know? Like, look at my face.
Why would you rather have that ugly
That
something
would
become bigger?
evil.
Oh, is he okay?
Look funny.
Yo, look on a stingray up here.
No, it's Thomas okay?
Do that.
You see what?
Stingray. This is a stingray. Me know this.
Wait.
Look at. See me now?
I'm a stingray, that dog.
It's a stingray.
My youth.
What the hell is it?
It's not a stingray,
It's
bro.
what?
You know what stingray?
This.
I don't know.
No?
This is not no stingray. Stingray is something that may float on the bottom of my water, dog.
No, this
The flat something
This
them.
when people in the water, where do you say I go come? Kangri.
This
Hungry.
This heel.
Heel.
This a heel. You better tell me about stingray.
This is one black and white one. Them come in a black.
Yo, look at what one people mouth too.
That me that.
You have eyes.
That would be a cool pet.
Yo, you look like one little weird something.
Oh, they big. Yo, she have some big ones.
Look like weird. So nice nobody want no fish. Because me tell him the process what him have to do. Him change his mind.
Remember when people to that fish stand?
Yes, I got rid of that quick.
Tell him.
Wait.
Tell him.
We spent like $300 in a 1 week. Quick. No. That's quiet for those stuff. You're telling them.
Why I forget water tested?
Yeah, you forget the water test. You have to bring you go get them testy.
A rat.
Yeah, so you put no.
Them not come out. Them not go come out.
You rock the inner bag.
With it.
We get some big
You feel
cricket
like
fish spider them. Them have feed tarantula them.
Yo, come bro. Yo.
This brother have here everything.
Everything. Just a TV camera just reach us. We have to buy dirt. That's the coming off though. We need to. We don't know which part in the dirt show, boy. There's somewhere in here. We don't know what there.
What's a fair?
Oh, the gas. We need the gas, you know.
Oh, this I like it so.
This bad.
Can't fry fish in it. Fry fish in it. But for next one, I'll have to buy a frying pan.
Yeah. And gas.
Yeah.
Garden. We got a garden center because we got to look there.
I'm doing something today. That's not mad, you know.
Yeah, man, girl.
All the gas on the pot and something.
Buy 2 fish, I will give you.
Oh, what a cute little dog.
Tell you stop being that. Yo, me say, man can mind people business, you see. Man friendly, you see me, G's. Man friendly.
The dog look cute.
Low people and dog alone. So, you got it. We out. And they don't know where them park. We have beer dirt on top of there.
What? Yeah, so do we
You saw there? Look at there. Why you? Watch out.
Yo, me not struggle. It's just a slide out to me. I want it heavy and nice.
Oh, that should be
Yo,
heavier.
nice, take it light there.
Mad man. Just come out of Brothers. The arena go far. We buy a we get a pan. I don't really deny. They don't say no open it go. Sweet thinking do something like cost me. But remember me if you buy oil. You never need oil, bad boy. So we're there. You know the take went closer. Chavas just even do something name of whole heap of dirt now.
Yeah, come on. And this just the day one.
Hey man, if you young.
Do they one at a time?
Oh, poor thing. Poor thing. They never know what's about to happen. Guys, look, really? Lord, I'm not trying to feast.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, give dog.
No, me I make you see it if you come out. So you know say food out there.
I'm gonna grab that long time, probably not hungry. It's on to the next one. Cause him look like him just want to sleep.
Sure.
You not hungry? Yeah, so who should I give snake that and swear snake would I reply? And I'll be like, yo, really? If it's snake, yeah, cause he just go pick that. Him a forward already. Him now wait. Right, drop off. This one. That's nice.
Don't strike off me. Put your hand in there and get that. He ready to jump.
You don't know, man. You're no man. I fear him, you know.
That's what I mean.
Oh,
See your boss.
The side shuffle up.
Trust me, great man. Nice a run.
Alright, great man. Look how his snake clap.
Yeah, but what the right? A big people come to you.
Where you at?
I'm back in your box. I'm good, man. Trust me.
You trust him?
No. No me want so on
That might be come.
see that come out here. Yeah, come out here, yeah, see that. So what you did so far, brother?
Prevention is safe for that?
Cure.
Okay.
Who there? You're huge.
Yo, heavy. A wee more.
See,
Yeah, man,
exactly,
a wee more, man.
I'm going to solids, bro. That's a freak of nature in that cage, and y'all play with it like it's normal.
Nice and grab him. Grab him nice.
I lost the break that's in technical. Oh my god, I'm gonna find this on music.
You know I'm using the snake of feet. How you want to give snake? Vegetable? Give maki and sausage.
That's another life.
Right there, I say that.
When me rise it, Taros. So right now, we add more dirt to the tarantula enclosure. Right now, you know what I mean? Come show them really nice.
Yo, why y'all use me for showing them this?
You see him?
So you tell myself to get ready for running.
Get ready for running now. Remember, I'm fast.
Oh my god.
Want to catch him in a cup so we can clean out him enclosure.
So now you're gonna keep him in there, you're gonna jump out. Yo, oh, that's nah.
See? Can't go nowhere now. Comfortable now? Show them like, show them. What it
More
got there.
improve.
You know what I mean? So, you marvel. Okay, I'll show you from this side, yeah? But what if a place right? Big old deep place up on the stuff here. Because them love hide. The type of spider, you know what I mean?
Man, I care about them spider, man.
So now, it's time for me to put him back.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. No, don't do that, dogs. Oh, okay. I'm never this close to him. I'm doing this for y'all. That's up. You know me keep my...
You feed for your only call?
Two me game. I'm making you one though, I'm put one in your web.
You change out the habitat too?
Me not trouble. They are show water in it.
Hey man, you
I
make
saw
them
me
drop
that
out in
video.
here, you know?
No, I saw me that video, forget them. Cause them out, yeah, see.
Cause me can't go sleep in there if they sitting there.
Yeah, keep on. Yeah, yeah, them make be nice. You not hungry?
I don't even know what passing.
Probably too big. I that him too big.
No hungry man. You hungry man?
You need to slow. You bite it. Then got teeth.
I wanna reach my answer.
You them big still, you know? So right about now, you don't know. Full time. We are gonna do this different this time. A pineapple, but we are gonna put it in the oven.
Nice one saying. Report. No, continue cooking.
Then get an idea, look away.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in at the buyer right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them. You know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything. We have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Hope it end up in